Hello, this is Michael from König and Meyer here on the InfoComm show 2026. And as every year we have a bunch of new products, and this time also we have a new guitar stool. Beside this we have a variety of new piano benches and piano stools. And here to show you we have a new guitar stool with a nice finish, natural finish. A nice seat. It's imitation leather, and it's ball bearing, so it rotates 360 degrees, very comfortable, very stable. And also we have leveling legs if for uneven surface. You can just level so the seat is no wobbling. And so please check out our additional product options on the website. It's k-m.de. And thank you.